Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to know how I did this look, then stay tuned and keep watching. I'm going to prep my skin first with the Faux Unicorn Essence before applying makeup. This is actually one of the most popular products, especially on Instagram. I see that everyone likes to use this as a primer or part of their skincare, so I decided to try this myself. And it's actually my first time using it here in this video, and so far it's pretty good. I'm applying some eye serum under my eyes to hydrate them and reduce some puffiness. This eye serum helps brighten my eyes and get them ready when I apply concealer. Now I'm just priming my eyes with my Essence eyeshadow base. And I'm setting it with some translucent powder. I'm going to use my HudaBeauty Desert Dusk palette and use the shade Desert Sand as a base color. And apply this all over my lid. Then I'm going to take the shade Eden and use this as my transition. Sorry if you see me looking down, but I was looking at my laptop to make sure my camera is still recording. Anyways, I'll be using the shade Turkish Delight with my finger and apply it all over my lid. Next, I'll apply saffron on the outer corner of my eye. And lastly, I'll apply out on the inner third to intensify the look. I decided to add the shade Angelic on the center of my eyes for a pop of color. And then blend all the edges to get rid of any harsh line. So I already applied some eyeliner and falsies, and I'm going to prime my face using my Milani Prime Light Primer. And my eyeliner looks kind of sloppy, so please ignore that. It's been a while since I last put some eyeliner. And I already showed you guys what falsies I'm using here. It's quite natural and not what I expected because I thought it would be more dramatic, but it still looked good. For foundation, I'm using my Nars Luminous foundation and applying it with my Real Technique buffer brush. I'm buffing the foundation into my skin to make it look more natural and skin-like. Now I'm applying concealer, and the one I'm using is from Makeup Revolution. And as usual, I'll blend the concealer first with my Real Technique concealer brush and then use my beauty sponge to smooth out any edges. up my face using my Airspun translucent powder and applying it to the areas where I applied the concealer. So some of my brushes are being clean and I had to use my other brushes for the time being, and that's why I'm using the small brush from e.l.f. to apply the powder, and it's taking some time for me to finish. I usually don't bake, but since it's taking me forever to apply this powder, I decided to just leave some there, and later I'll use a big fluffy brush to brush away any excess. Now I'm going to use the LA Pro Face powder and apply this all over my face, and I'm also brushing out any excess loose powder from before. I'm just applying some eyeshadow here on my lower lash line. I'm first using the shade Saffron with a pencil brush, and then I'll apply out with a smaller smudge brush. And I'm blending away any edges using a small fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to apply some mascara on my lower lashes. To add some brightness under my eyes, I'm applying some banana powder from Essence. I'm also applying some on the center of my face for more highlighted effect. I'm applying some bronzer using my Butter Bronzer to add some color back to my face. For blush, I'm using the Essence Satin Blush and apply this on the apple of my cheeks and bring it up above the bronzer. And to highlight my face, I'm using the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter and apply this on the high points of my face. To make sure my makeup lasts all day, I'm going to use my Milani Make It Last setting spray and spray it all over my face. And finally, for my lips, I'll first apply this lip crayon by Loreal and then use my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Trendsetter. My camera shut down when applying my Huda Beauty lipstick, so sorry I couldn't get that. But here's the final look. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if so, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time on my next video. Bye!